Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix notes feature not showing on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list. So the first step you simply need to search for the Messenger. So click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Messenger. So let me search. Okay, click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. So once you complete that step, you simply need to open Messenger and log in into your account and click on the plus icon. So now you can share your thought as a note on Messenger. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.